This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the SEC charges 6 firms with, record-keeping violations. And the thing is, these aren't new rules. These are rules that have been on the books for years. They just refuse to abide by the rules. Okay, and here's the thing. If you know what you're doing is illegal, if you know that if you're caught, you're going to be fined, and you continue going down that road, why would you do that? Obviously, and this is just my opinion. Obviously, because the money you make from violating the rules is a lot greater than the fines you're going to get if you get caught. I mean, that is the only explanation. If these 6 companies knew they were at risk for losing their license to trade, losing their license to participate in the United States stock market, they would not be engaging in this activity. They engage in this activity because there's no real punishment for violating the law. You got Moody Investments, they're paying $20 million. You got S&P Global, they got to pay $20 million. You got Fitch Ratings, they have to pay $8 million. And you got HF Rating out of Mexico, they're only paying $250,000. AM Best Rating is paying $1 million, and Demotech is paying $100,000. Now, I want you guys to think about this. These guys are engaging in the communication, and then they're erasing the communication, which they know is illegal. They know it violates the laws. And this isn't something new. This has been on the books for 20, 30 years. But they engage in it anyway. And the only reason they keep engaging in it is because they make a whole lot of money having communications that they know will get them in trouble, so they erase it when they're done. And if they get caught, they just pay the fines. And if you can pay a $20 million fine and not admit any wrongdoing, how much did you make from erasing those communications? The bottom line is this. I do not believe, and this is just my opinion, that the SEC wants to stop the fraud and corruption. Because if they did, they wouldn't just fine them. They would take their license to trade. They would suspend them from being market participants in the New York stock market. And if they did that, all the other bad actors would fall in line. So if totally they're all paying $49 million in fines, they probably made billions of dollars from those communications that somehow disappeared in thin air like a magic trick. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think the SEC really wants to stop the fraud and corruption? Or do you think they just like getting their cut of the illegal activity every once in a while? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.